Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the surface indicator, the wrench sign on a Citroen C4 Aircross 2014 model. After repairing the car or servicing the car, you need to get rid of the indicator over here. I'm going to show you how I did that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 350 other videos on how to reset different model cars and how to so some tips and tricks about other cars. Leave a comment on the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. When we turn the ignition on, I had an indicator flashing. Which said maintenance due, and I'm gonna show how I got rid of that. First of all, turn the ignition on and then off, and then on the left side of this car there is an info button. Press this info button till you get the wrench sign on the display, like this. When you reach wrench sign, press and hold the info button till the wrench indicator flashes, let go and press it again, and as you can see, now it says clear for another 15,000 kilometers or so. So once again, turn the ignition on, off, then use the info button till you find the wrench sign, press and hold it till it flashes, let go and press it again, and the max surface indicator is 76 months. Now I have reset it for the maximum capacity. That was it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a look at our channels, give a thumbs up if you like, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care.